Okay, so a couple months ago, I posted this post on Threads, basically complaining that I wanted to be able to add my brand colors to the color palette when creating Instagram stories. And currently at the time of this recording, that's not an option. But then I got this reply from Sam Gets Social, and she basically outlined an Instagram hack that I didn't even know was a thing. So I tested it, it worked beautifully. And now I'm creating a tutorial that walks you through the easy breezy process. I let Sam know that I was creating a YouTube tutorial, and she's super excited for me to share it with her too, so she can share it with all of her people. So all of that to say, let's jump into it. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, I'm Mariah from MariahMagazine.com, and on this channel, I help simplify things like SEO, websites, tech, and I dive into tools and recommendations to help you grow your online business in a way that works for you. So in today's YouTube video, this isn't like my typical topic. I don't usually talk about Instagram. It's not my favorite platform. I usually, like I said, talk about SEO, but when I learned this hack, I literally could not share it. So I'm excited to get into it. Let's kick it into the screen share. Okay, so the first step in this process is to basically consolidate all of your brand colors into one image. So you can do that using any graphic design software that you already use. I use Canva, so that's why I'm in Canva. But basically you want this image with all of your brand colors to kind of be as simple as possible. It doesn't matter what the actual little blobs of color look like. It could be circles, it could be squares like this, it could be bars. Doesn't really matter, and you'll find out why. But basically you just want it to be as simple as possible. So I am just going to snag all of these colors and then put it in its own image. So I'm just going to copy, paste them all right here, just like this. Perfect. And then go ahead and export this as a JPEG. So if you're in Canva, you're just going to click share, download. This is page 9 JPEG. Cool. And then just download it to your computer. So the thing is when you're uploading things to Instagram stories, I'm pretty sure that you can only do that on your mobile phone. So then the next order of business is to get this image that you just saved on your desktop and get it over to your phone so you can send it to yourself in an email. I'm just going to do AirDrop really quick. Okay, so once you have that image on your phone, open up the Instagram app, and then we're going to go over to where we want to start a story, and then you can go ahead and choose the image that you want to create a story with. We basically just need to get to the editor, and then you're going to click on the cute little sticker icon and then choose cutouts. Then you're going to choose the image of all of your brand colors. And you're gonna have to tap and select each color box manually. So you just should be able to tap them, and then it should light them up. Sometimes it does get a little finicky, especially if the brand colors are kind of close to white. But this looks like it's going pretty well. And it doesn't really matter what it looks like. You can see that purple looks a little rugged along the edge there, but it doesn't really matter. So then we're just gonna click use sticker. And then you'll be able to drag that wherever you want on your Instagram story. And then you can go ahead and add some text. Use the eyedropper tool once you click on the color wheel. And then choose the colors from your brand palette that we just did. So you can go ahead and kind of test this however you'd like. And then we're just selecting another one, just playing around here. And then when you're done selecting colors, you just take the sticker that you created and drag it to the trash can. Okay, so then the next time that you want to create a story, we're going to discard this. Click on it again. Let's pretend that we're creating a fresh story. You should be able to click on that cute little sticker icon, and then you should see your stickers, which is basically your color palette right here, ready to go, easy to use for as many Instagram stories as you would like, and allowing you to use your color palettes for all of them. So like I said before, whenever you're done with this, just drag it to the trash can and then good to go. So that's it for today's video. If you guys found this tutorial helpful, give me a really quick thumbs up. The simple thumbs up does go a long way in letting the YouTube algorithm know that my video was helpful, and therefore hopefully sending it out to more people that also might find it helpful. And if you're interested in videos about SEO, website tech, tools, and recommendations and sometimes little hacks like this, then definitely do me a favor and click that subscribe button, turn on bell notifications, and I will see you in the next video.